Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Extremely Friday, the webcast where we take a look at the forecast for this coming weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at the maps. And let's go ahead and start off with a satellite image today. We have several areas that we are watching as far as tropical activity goes. First one closest to home is a tropical storm Ingrid, and the latest advisory has the winds at 45 miles per hour. And right now it looks like it'll make landfall somewhere in northern Mexico coming up, and this will bring a lot of heavy rainfall to southern Texas. So we could definitely get rainfall amounts of an inch an hour. So if you live in that region or know anyone that lives in that region, keep an eye on it, and we'll keep you informed and bring you the latest information. And taking a look over here, we do have the leftover of Gabrielle. It's now an extratropical system, and it'll continue to weaken and move off to the northeast. And over here we have Humberto with winds of 75 miles per hour. And over the last several hours, it's weakened quite a bit here. And it looks like it will take a track to the northwest and then move due north. And again, that has winds at the latest report of 75 miles per hour. And then taking a look over here in the Pacific, we do have Tropical Depression 13E, winds 35 miles per hour, and it will continue to develop, but however it looks like it will move north into Mexico and of course weaken once it reaches the land. So to summarize, we have several areas we're watching. We have Tropical Depression 13E located right here, and it's moving north into Mexico. It has sustained winds at 35 miles per hour. Then we also have Ingrid with winds of 45 miles per hour. That will move to the north and northwest into Mexico, and that will bring the heavy rainfall to Texas. Third, we have what's left over, the remnants of Tropical Storm Gabrielle, and it's now an extratropical low, and that will continue to weaken and move off to the northeast. Then over here we have Humberto with winds of 75 miles per hour, and this will continue to move to the west, west-northwest, and then make a change pretty much due northward, and that has winds of 75 miles per hour. So taking a look at your forecast for tomorrow, we do have a cold front up here in the northern plains with an area of low pressure that will bring thunderstorms to a big section of the central plains, including the rainfall over Colorado, and we're expecting more flooding to continue over Denver and Boulder as we continue to have a fetch of moisture coming up off the Gulf of Mexico up here, and with the upsloping winds that will continue to provide plenty of lift to continue to bring showers and thunderstorms to the region. And as we take a look at the forecast for Sunday, the cold front moves down. We got the low pressure coming together with the front, and we will continue to see showers and thunderstorms along this region. Ignore that, that shouldn't be there, that thunderstorm icon there. However, we do have a couple areas down in, first area down here is in Texas, that's from the tropical storm down there, and that will bring rainfall amounts of around an inch per hour, and we could also see some heavy rains and thunderstorms for Florida. Well, that wraps up the Extremely Friday, the weekend extremes. For Dakota Weather Consultants, this is meteorologist David Stevens. Have a wonderful weekend.